and you're back with me. I'm in Hanoi, walking to Little Charm Hostel. I'm meeting Bader there. Buddy I met at a pub. He's from France, and we're about to go to Halong Bay. Stay there for a night and then come back to Hanoi. Let's get it started. I was up all night editing so that I can post the Hajong Loop video for Monday. I literally got less than an hour of sleep, but it had to be done. I really want to stay consistent with posting once a week. Alright, we made it. So we're on this little island to get onto the boat. It looks pretty awesome, and they're doing a lot of construction. And there's already so much tourism in Vietnam, it's about to get flooded, especially once they fill this in.
Từ anh này đúng không? Đây, từ anh vali này là 6 nhá.
Come on. And we're just taking off. So what's included in this is 3 different excursion stops and 2 dinners and transportation. It was all for like $36, and the transportation from Hanoi to Halong Bay is 2 hours. Yeah, like a little over 2 hours. So a great deal, but we'll see how the tours are. Since I've been up north, I have not gotten one sunny day. Is what it is, but fact of the matter, they don't want me to see the sun. And we up top with it. Oh, wow. Look at this service. Thank you. She came up top with the pineapple juice. Let me set this here for a second. Veda asked me to go on this like 2 days ago, and it took us like 6 hours to organize. But it is worth it. It looks amazing out here. And I love being on the boat. The breeze always hits. Look at this. Double GoPro. Yeah, double. Okay, first stop, just got off the boat.
2 p.m. so we go back to the statue. Thank you.
Statue 2 p.m. So we have 45 minutes. Got a little beach here, soccer nets, football nets, volleyball court. And I guess you can do a hike to get to the top of this, so that's what I'm about to try to do. So this is where the climb starts. Not a hike, but a climb. Made it up top. I'm already ready to go back down. It's so packed.
Oh, that's crazy. I like that.
Yeah, so many people could barely enjoy the view. So I'm making this walk back down. It's crazy how many people complain, especially young people, complain about a couple damn steps. Oh, are we almost there? Oh, huffing and puffing, work out. Like, damn, people are lazy nowadays. And then I see these old ladies doing it easy. Yo, take care of your body. You only got one. Y'all are acting soft. Jeez Louise. It's like if anything inconvenienced you in life to where you had to move your body, you'd be screwed. So I stumbled across a little hard workstation. So you know I'm gonna have to get a few reps in for y'all. Me? Hell no.
Está más fuerte que nosotros. Obviamente. Me cantan los huevos como para no bañarme.
I could have done the tricep extensions with that shit. But now I'm about to go to the beach, take my shirt off because I am hot. Okay, the shirt has come off. Finally, it can cool down. There's very few people in the water, understandably. It's a little muggy today. Nothing crazy though. Okay, this one. Now that that's over, we're getting back on the boat and it's gonna take us somewhere else and we're going kayaking. Just made it to the port. Gotta find our way to the kayaks, then we off. Ticket acquired. Change from number 11 to number 8 to number 11. Those are the numbers. What? Yeah, we're going down to number 11 all the way over there. So there's 3 options for this one. It's this, a speedboat, and kayaking, and we chose to do kayaking. We're on it. Use your right one. Use your right one. Yeah. Yeah, slow, not like hard. No, you can go ahead and just do like regular and I'll turn it. Oh, watch out. I got it. All right, now you gotta find a spot. I need to buy me a kayak.
Yeah, I have one in France.
Oh shit.
You got a little river or something in the city that you can bring a kayak to it. Like you've got a river close to you.
I mean,
your place.
there's a lot of places like huge lakes
All right.
that you can go in Colorado. Like what's it called? Paddleboarding is very big out there.
Okay. There is a lot of national park there, no?
Mm-hmm.
I heard a lot of Colorado.
Yeah, it's a beautiful state. Here.
You ever did the climbing?
What?
Climbing.
Came up on the monkey thing. Oh. Let me maneuver. Another one up in the tree there. I hope y'all be able to see it.
Yeah, I see it.
No, I'm talking about through like the GoPro.
On the GoPro? Or? I don't think so, but
Uh-oh, so another one. Just got back. And now we're heading to the boat to see what else we have planned. We're at the last stop and we're at the caves. This cave is huge. We've already been through 3 major sections and we still have a while to go.
Like it's not even racing.
Yeah, I didn't think it was racist at all, but some dumb people would be. For free. Almost back to the boat. Got my coconut. Cave is finito. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell.